ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Indonesia, Bangka Madura. Let me introduce myself. My name is Diandra Safa, but you can call me Diandra, and our driver, Mr. Alvin. I come from Lalala Tour and Travel. I will be your tour leader for 4 day, 3 night. You just left from Juanda National Airport, and now we go to Ningrat Hotel. It's take 1 hour 30 minutes from airport. In this session, I want to tell you about Bangkalan Madura. This is the Suramadu National Bridge. The Suramadu National Bridge is a bridge that crosses the Madura Strait, connects Java and Madura Island, Indonesia, with a length of 5,438 m. This bridge is the longest bridge in Indonesia today.
Miss, may I ask when is the bridge built?
The bridge was built on August 20, 2003.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Bangkalan is one of 4 regencies in Madura after Sampang, Pamekasan, and Sumenep, which locates on the western tip of Madura Island. Many things will be found when you arrive in this small town, but before that you need a little know of how the origin of Bangkalan Regency is. Bangkalan come from the word Bangka and Laan, which mean dead already. This term intake from legend of the death of the powerful rebel Kilesap, who died in West Madura. According to several sources, it is stated that the king of Majapahit namely Brawijaya V, had converted to Islam. Ancient data at the Cempa Prince tomb in Trowulan, Mojokerto. However, who actually is considered the fifth Brawijaya in the book Madura and Sijen Force, and who is published, among others, Stembun when at Geslak Jakradiningrat. However, who actually is reput in the book Madura and Sijen Force, and who is published, among others, Stembun when heard Geslak Jakradiningrat. About time, Indonesia have 3 types: Wip, Wit, and Wita, and Bangkalan including on Wip. So please set your watch now is 10 a.m. Thank you. For the tour, we'll be visit the Ninagen Lighthouse. The Sembilangan Lighthouse is a relic of the Dutch era that has stood for approximately 137 years. Not only beautiful to look at, this lighthouse is also still useful according to its function, namely providing lighting and navigation for ships sailing in Madura Strait. The lighthouse consists of 17 floor where a large lamp is collected at the high level. Climbing the short stair to level 16 is indeed indeed very tiring, but the scenery that will be presented about will make you stand up and forget about the pain in your legs.
Wow, that's cool, Miss.
My name is Nandes. On behalf of Lala Top Tour, I would like to welcome you all to Bangkalan. At this point, I would like to take a minute for familiarize you with the area and provides a, a brief safety precaution. You have to fasten your seatbelt and stay seated until we reach our destination. Uh, I am your guide and will support you during the tour. I promise you will enjoy your stay here in Bangkalan. Are you ready?
Ready, sir.
Hello everyone. Now we are at the Sembilangan Lighthouse. The Sembilangan Lighthouse is a heritage building from the Dutch colonial period which was building in 1879 at the time. The Kingdom of the Netherlands was under the reign of Z.M. William III. The purpose of building this lighthouse was to help navigators ship and control the activities of the Madura Strait Road. Even though the Sembilangan Lighthouse is approximately 1040 years old. This 78-meter high building and has a light range of 50 meters. It still stands strong. The building can last hundreds of years because all the material used are still. Sembilangan Lighthouse is very easy to access from Juanda Airport Surabaya with a distance of 50 kilometers or about 2 hour driving. The public facility available are toilet and traditional food. Now let's continue the journey because they are many more good place in the Bangkalan city. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are passing close to the Soekarno-Hatta Street, and our left we have Cakraningrat Museum. The museum was founded in 2007 by the governor of East Java, Mr. Imam Utomo. This museum was inaugurated on March 13, 2008. The name Cakraningrat Museum is used of commemorate and honor the service and greatness of Prince Cakraningrat. At the beginning of its establishment, the object in this museum collection moved from place to place and changed the name of place. On March 13, 2008, the Bangkalan Regency government began to enthusiastically pay attention to historical relic in Bangkalan Regency, so that a new museum building was with the name Cakraningrat.
Sir, may I ask, when can we visit the Cakraningrat Museum?
This museum open every Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are we're heading to next object, which is Bull Rest Stadium. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in front of there is the Bull Rest Stadium. The Karapan Sapi event is usually held to welcome guests or tour from outside Madura who want to witness firsthand how this cow completed at Spinet. That there are said to be able to beat and fastest runner in the world. Well, from the scape or Red Violet, modern or in the often used for the bull racer at the sub-district level to because a district representative at the Regency level or President Cup. Did you understand everything?
Yeah, it's very cool, sir, and it's very interesting. And do you have any restaurant recommendation around here, sir?
Yes, of course. We have our next destination is the Answer. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to the restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Sinjai Dak Food Still. This food still is alright popular in the Bangkalan, even to Indonesia, because that food is very tasty and delicious, and also the characteristic of the special speeches. So many people went to eat at this shop. Thank you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Pasarian Complex. My name is Zevanya. You can call me Zeva as you get here. So as you guys can see, this complex is not a housing complex, but a cemetery complex. The cemetery complex is famous because there is the tomb of Queen Sharifah Ambami, who is the wife of Raden Praseno, the king of Madura, who holds the title Cakraningrat I, along with the tombs of his 7 generations. Therefore, this cemetery complex is known as the Bangkalan King Cemetery Complex, or more popularly known as Pasarian Ratu Ebu. However, this cemetery complex is also commonly known as Air Mata Ebu. Why is it called Air Mata Ebu? I will explain the answer in the next object. Now we are at the object, which is the answer to the previous question. Why is this tomb also called Abu Aywater? So what do you guys see here?
It's a spring water, miss.
Good. So this is the answer. This cemetery has a romantic and dramatic historical story. It is said that because of the busyness of King Cakraningrat I, Queen Sharifah Ambami became lonely, so she decided to meditate and pray in this place. In her prayer, she prayed that her 7 generations would be blessed to become rulers of Madura. However, the queen prayer turned out to be the anger of her husband, because King Cakraningrat I wanted all of his generations, not just 7 generations like his wife's prayer. Finally, because of her husband's disappointment, Queen felt guilty and lamented her grief by crying all day and night. The queen tears then flooded the place where she was imprisoned, until finally becoming a source of water to this day. The source of the spring became known as Air Mata Ebu or Mother Tears, which is believed to have many benefits such as curing disease, easy mate, and so on.
Wow, it's very unique, Miss. Can we taste the water?
Yeah, of course. All of you guys should try it.
Okay, thank you, Miss.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, our tour at Pasaran Complex has to be ended. Don't forget to tell your family and friends the uniqueness of Air Mata Ebu, and thank you for visiting this space. See you on your next visit. Bye-bye. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. How is your sleep last night? I wish you all sleep very well. And how is your breakfast?
My breakfast is very good, Miss. Thank you.
Oh yeah, have you put all of your baggage? And also, have you checked all of your belongings in your room? I wish there will not be any left behind. And I remind you, if only you still have any personal expenses, please come to receptionist and finalize it. Thank you. Well, now please go on our bus. The blue one is the corner of this hotel and we are prepared to leaving Juanda Airport. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board of Lalala Tour and Travel. I am Davita, will assist you for this transfer out. But first of all, I would like to give you some questionnaire and please fill the questionnaire. Yeah.
Okay, Miss.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are leaving from Ningrat Hotel and in hours we will arrive at Juanda Airport. Well, ladies and gentlemen, how was your tour yesterday?
I'm very happy and satisfied to be able to visit some very amazing tourist attraction I've never seen before. And after this tour, I will tell my family and my friend at home how beautiful Bangkalan is.
Is there anyone to tell us about your opinion for this tour?
Yeah, I will. One of the things that made me very impressed with the history of the tomb of Air Mata Ebu. Besides traveling, I also get education about the history of the Madura nobility, and also I'm very satisfied with the service from Lalala Tour and Travel, which is very good, starting from accommodation to accessibility, which is very satisfying. Thank you, Miss.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for all your response, but in a few minutes we will arrive at Juanda Airport. And please get off the bus and keep walking to the entrance. Make sure there is nothing left on your personal belonging. Ladies and gentlemen, you can go straight to an counter or by using a self-service check-in machine. Customers checking in baggage should be processed to a self-service baggage drop machine or to the baggage drop counter. After check-in and obtaining a boarding pass, you should make your way to a security checkpoint. Don't forget to check your passport and boarding pass for immigration inspection. You can take advantage of duty-free shops once you have passed through security and immigration. Please finish any shopping or food and drinks and be at the boarding gate at least 30 minutes before the departure time. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy this tour and don't forget to tell your family and friends how beautiful Bangkalan Madura is. On behalf of Lalala Tour and Travel, I would like to say our apologies for your inconvenience and have a nice flight to go home. Thank you very much and goodbye.
Thank you. Goodbye, Miss.
Okay, I think that's all from our group presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.